Hey everyone, this is GCP Code, and in this video we will discuss about this lab. So after starting the lab, simply open Google Cloud Console in incognito window, and then just come onto your Google Cloud Console. Then simply, if you want, you can close this pop-up, and from here, simply activate your Cloud Shell from here. Then just wait for some time. Then click on this continue. Then simply authorize yourself. Then just wait for some time. Okay, now activating the Cloud Shell. After activating the Cloud Shell, what you have to do is you have to open a new tab from here in the Cloud Shell only. So after opening new tab, you have to open two tab. I mean the first tab and the second tab. Do not close any of the tab. So what you have to do is come on to the first tab and then come on to the lab instruction page. Then simply come on to the task one, and here you will get two project ID. So one project ID is for project A and second project ID is for project B. That's why I have said you to open two tabs here in the Cloud Shell. So what we will do is simply copy the first project ID, I mean first command from here, and put it in the first Cloud Shell tab. Okay, let me paste it again. You also, while copying any command, make sure that you are not copying any extra space. So let me copy and paste it here. Then simply press enter and then just wait for some time. We have got the output for the property updated. Now what we will do is let's copy the second command, which is for the project B. Copy and do not paste in the first Cloud Shell tab. Simply open the second Cloud Shell tab and paste that command in the second tab of Cloud Shell. So just wait for some time, and yeah, we have got the output for property updated. Now let me tell you, we will use the first tab for the project A and we will use the second tab for project B. So let's continue, and here is the project A. Okay, in the task one you will get this project A section, and then if you scroll down a little bit you will get this project B section. So let's continue with the project A first. So whatever we will do related to the project A, we will do it in first tab, and whatever we will do related to the project B, we will do it in second tab. Okay, so let me open the first tab, and let's continue with the project A. So simply copy the first command for the project A, paste it here, and then hit enter. Now this is going to take some time, so just wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with the first command. Now come on to the live instruction page. Let's copy the second command for the project A and paste it here in the Cloud Shell, and again press enter and just wait for some time again. So we have got the output for the second command. Let's create the VM using command. I mean third command from task number one from project A. I mean paste it here and hit enter. Now again just wait for some time. Okay, now we are done with the third command also. Let's copy the fourth command for the project A. Let me copy it again, paste it here. Okay, let me copy it again. And yeah, this is creating a firewall for us. So just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the output for the last command, I mean fourth command also. So we are done with the project A. Now simply click on check my progress for project A. You will get the green tick here. Now let's start with the project B. So for project B, what you have to do is you don't have to do anything in the first tab. Now simply switch to the second tab in the Cloud Shell. Then we are whatever we will do for the project B, we will do it in the second tab of the Cloud Shell. Okay, so let's copy the first command from the project B and paste it here in the second tab of Cloud Shell. Then just wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with the first command. Let's copy the second command, paste it here, and hit enter. So we are done with the second command also. Let's start with the VM instance, creating VM instance. I mean third command. So we are done with the third command also. Let's copy the fourth command for the from the project B. Paste here and hit enter. Okay, so we are done with the last command from the project B. Now let's click on check my progress for the task one. I mean project B, and we have got the green tick here in both the project A and project B. Now let's move to the task two. So simply scroll down a little bit. You will get this VPC network peering. Copy this from here, paste it here in the Cloud Console, and open this first option in new tab. Now simply click on this create connection. and then click on this continue. Now for peering connection name, simply come on to the live instruction page, and in the project A section of task 2, you will get this peer AP name in the point number 3. So simply copy this peer AP name, paste it here. Now in this your VPC network, select network A, and from here select this in another project. So for the project ID, simply come on to the lab instruction page, you will get this project ID. Copy this project ID, paste it here. And for VPC network name, simply again come on to lab instruction page, copy this name from the point number 7, and then paste it here in the VPC network name. Then simply click, scroll down a little bit, and then click on this create. Now just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the successful message. Now come on to the lab instruction page and click on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Now let's create a peer network for project B. So again, okay, now what you have to do is you have to click on this open project picker, and then come on to this all, and what you have to do is come on to the live instruction page. Here you will get your project ID too. So simply copy your project ID too from here, paste it here in the search box, and simply click on this. Now just wait for some time, and then what you have to do is click on this create connection, and then click on this continue. Now we have to do this setup for the project B. So scroll down a little bit in task number 2, you will get this project B section. Now what you have to do is from the point number 3, simply copy this name peer BA and paste it here in peering connection name. Then from this your VPC network, select this network B. Then in this select in another project, then it is asking for project ID. So come on to the lab instruction page, you will get this project ID. So simply copy this project ID, paste it here, and for VPC network name, come on to the lab instruction page, you will get this VPC network, copy this name, paste it here, and then scroll down a little bit, click on this create. Now just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the message of successfully created. So come on to the 11 section page. We are done with this task. Simply click on check my progress, and you will get the green tick here. And I think we are done with all the tasks. So yeah, now you can simply end the lab from here. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram group. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.